Into a 13-13-1-1 back and another banger. Boxing review. Dude got really damaged package. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 3. Barely receiving even less views, guys. Archive collection to Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Who will survive and who will be what will be left of them? Texas Chainsaw. Disgusting. Not scary Leatherface. The TMNT reference the Saw his family. Probably got at least 20.
No fucking brand news on eBay.
What?
And I got this?
Guys, damaged package. Bullshit. He puts the teeth in terror. 2 college students drive coasting lured into Leatherface and his family. Typical nigga motherfucker. Is that Leatherface? Yeah, it's disgusting Leatherface. Well, Leatherface is only funny because of shitty Mick Foley that's in boxes broken package. The Blu-ray?
Oh my fucking god, look at it.
What? Oh shit, nigga. Okay, we unboxed this disgusting film. Archive collection. Thought they made good movies into Blu-ray. You like the green slime? Movies that are not disgusting. Okay. Let's open this piece of shit, nigga. Leatherface, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3. I only seen this movie once in the wild, and it was at Target, and we picked it up. Not scary face. Pause the special features if you want to. It's not focusing.
I think you're a motherfucker. Like,
And bye.